Ballast. Douglas and Donald disappeared regularly behind the big station, along a line on which none of the others had ever gone. They returned with loaded ballast trains, and were most mysterious about it. "There the wee engines bring the ballast doon for the hills," was all they would say. Soon the engines could talk of nothing else. James and Henry thought the "verra wee engines" must be some kind of magic. "I don't believe it," said Gordon. "Donald and Douglas have pulled our wheels before." But Duck wanted to see for himself, so he asked permission to take some trucks.